morning, guys. Eddie Case down here on a brand new job here this morning in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. We just walked in the door. I wanted to talk to you a little bit this morning about pre-existing plans that the builder may have had for your finished basement. Sometimes you'll buy a home, the builder has already designed the basement for the future. They've already stubbed in the plumbing and the concrete floor for the bathroom, and they've got this grandioso plan already done for you when you buy the house. Well, those plans normally don't work, right? They normally never work out. The bathroom is never in the right spot. I'm going to say 90% of the time it ruins the whole idea of the plan you might have in your head for the space. So I'm going to show you what the builder did here this morning, where the plumbing is and how it just totally jacks up the plan, man. You just can't make any sense out of what the builder did to this basement when he put the plumbing in for the future bathroom. It just doesn't make any sense because it basically eats up an entire section of the basement that could be a beautiful living area. So we're going to move the bathroom. I've redesigned the basement bathroom location for the homeowners, and as you've probably heard me talk about in other videos, forget about that pre-existing plumbing that's in the basement. You just do not have to use it. You can move it, and it's really not that difficult to do. And I'm going to talk about that right now. So let's take a look at what we have here. Okay, so the homeowners, I'm not sure if it was the homeowners or if it might have been another contractor that came in here before my basement company got in here, but they've got all this blue tape on the floor. And you can see here, we got, I guess VAN, vanity was going to go here. And they had the sewage ejector right there inside the bathroom. They had a tub over here. You can see right there, they already have it underneath the floor. The drain's underneath there. I guess they sprayed some foam on top of it to hide it until they did the basement. But that's where the tub was going to go right there. And way down here, it looks like they were going to have a toilet. I'm not sure if this was going to be, I'm not actually sure what that pipe is there. Maybe a vent pipe. If you look across all that blue tape, this bathroom is about, I'm not kidding you, it's about 16 feet long, and that's just crazy. And then in addition to this huge bathroom that they have designed here, there's 1, 2, 3 columns out in this area of the basement as well. And right over there is the stairs coming down, okay? So this bathroom, if it was put right here where all this blue tape is, would pretty much eat up this whole half of the basement. I mean, what is this space over here going to be? You come down the steps and then you just walk through here and go out the back door? Basically, almost half the basement, because of the way that the builder designed the plumbing, has become nothing more than a big walkway. It makes no sense. I guess the reason for this video is don't get hung up on pre-existing plumbing and pre-existing plans from the builder, because this is what you get sometimes, a space that just doesn't make the best sense. Because I'll be honest with you, builders really don't care about finishing basements, all right? They don't want to do it, all right? They want to get their $120 to $200 a square foot or whatever the going rate is in your area, and basements are not going to give that to the builder. So yeah, they're going to rough in plumbing in the floor for a future bathroom, and they're going to sell you on it. It's a great selling feature when you're selling houses. Hey, it's already pre-done for a bathroom down there. You got to worry about it. Just, you know, sit the toilet on the floor and throw the tub in there, and you're done. You got a bathroom. Well, that all sounds good when you're buying the house, or you're getting the sales pitch, or you're buying the house from another person who had it built, never finished the basement. They'll tell you it's ready for the basement to be finished, but the plan almost never ever works. All right, so don't get hung up on it. That's the reason for this video. And I'm going to show you our floor plan here in just a moment. I'll get it out of my briefcase, and it's kind of dark down here, but I'll try to show you how I've redesigned the basement to make more sense so that the bathroom isn't taking up half the basement, all right? So let me grab the plan. I'll get it someplace where I got some light, and I'll show you what I did to the plan, okay, and how I redesigned it. And maybe some of these ideas will help you with your design of your basement, because I think everybody should design their own, because you know best. You know how you want to live down there. You know what zones you want, you know, bathrooms, bedrooms, offices, gyms, play areas, game areas, bar areas. You know what you want. So you should be the one designing it. So let me get the plan out here and show you what I did here. Okay, so there's that staircase we just talked about. And here's the space right here where these poles are. They're in these 2 walls here. And the bathroom essentially started here and went the whole way down to like here somewhere. All right, it was like 16 by 9 this bathroom took up. That's existing here, all right out in front of us here. It's like from down there all the way to where, basically almost to where I'm standing, to where this white pipe is here. It's like a 16 by 9 area, which is right here in the plan. So we're past the plane of this pole here, back towards me about another 5 feet. And that pole is hidden in this wall. All right, so that bathroom came all the way down to roughly where this game area here, this ping pong table was here. All right, so what a terrible waste of space. You would come down the stairs and around, and then there'd just be this bathroom that would be this whole, basically side of the basement here, actually out into this nice big room here. It even came out into this big room about right to here. So it's just a miserable spot for a bathroom. So what we did was we moved it from here and we moved it way up here. All right, you can see this bump out in the foundation here. Well, that bump out's right down there. Okay, where it comes down, goes back, you see the water meter there, and there's the main sewage line there. Well, my bathroom is on the other side of that pole there, back there towards those tools, way back there in the corner. And we can look down here on the plan. You can see the poles in that wall. There's the water meter right there, and the sewage lateral right there I just showed you. And there's the bathroom. New bathroom location, way out of the way up here in this corner. And what that allowed me to do was put a bedroom or an office or a gym or whatever I wanted in this nice big space here between the stairs and the exterior wall, which is basically where this horrible bathroom location is. Because there's the stairs right there coming down, so this whole area right in here between this pole and this pole, and that's about from there to there, that's about a 12-foot, 13-foot wide area, all the way over to the stairs, and all the way back here to where I'm standing, all the way back here, is a nice 18 by, say, 13-foot room. That's now nice, usable living space. Okay, so my point is, the builders put these bathrooms in and whatnot, and maybe even gave you a complete floor plan for your finished basement. That just might not make sense. So I don't let something like a bathroom that's pre-plumbed in the basement dictate how I'm going to design the rest of this basement. This basement is about, I'm going to say 1,200, 1,300 square feet of living space that we're going to be finishing, and that was screwing everything up. Now, the homeowners had about 3 or 4 other contractors in, and every single one of them saw this pre-existing plumbing in the floor and said, "Ha! Well, that makes it easy for us. We don't have to do any concrete busting. We can just put that bathroom right there. It's all pre-done for us." But in effect, what they're saying is I'm too lazy to move it, or I don't know how to move it, so I'm just going to try to utilize what the builder put in. And because of that thought process, they've really screwed the pooch for the homeowner, or if it's a homeowner doing their own basement, basically have screwed up your floor plan that you wish you could have because of some plumbing that's in the floor. Who cares? I don't care about any of this pipe, that black sewage ejector pit, none of it matters to me. Okay, you can see they had it all lined out with blue tape, how they were going to make this work, and I got down here and looked at it and I just thought it was the worst plan. What I want you to take away from this video is design your basement the way you really want it. All right, you get one crack at it, and you can see in this plan here, we've picked up a bedroom, we've picked up a really large rectangular space here where we've got a wet bar here. We've got a home theater area here. You come in this back door here, this double door. There's 2 windows here. You can see that right here. There's window 1, there's the big door, and here's the other window. So we've got a nice TV going down on that wall there. So everything on that side of the door is the home theater area, which you can see is right here. There's the door, and you've got a nice L-shaped pit sectional here, a window in that area, and a TV here. On the back of the stairway wall, they've got a bar, which is right there. That's the stairway wall. There's going to be a bar right there, which you can go from the bar right over to the couch over in the home theater. So the bar kind of complements the the home theater area, and the bar also complements the game area, which is on the other side of the door, and it also has a window. All right, so the bar is centrally located for the game area and the TV area. Over here, as we come down the stairs, we've got a little exercise space over here. Put a treadmill and some other equipment over here. You can also come down the steps and make a right-hand turn, come down this hallway, and you can go right into the bathroom, which makes the bathroom private from all this space over here. If you got to use the bathroom, you kind of go around and back in front of the steps and back here where nobody can see you go in. It's private. And you've also got this bedroom or spare room or office, whatever this would become for you. You've got a door going in separate into the bathroom from this room as well. So the bathroom can be gotten to from the bedroom or from the rest of the basement through two different entrances. Okay, so it's a nice open floor plan, big L-shaped open area with a nice room here for whatever purpose. And that room also has a nice big walk-in closet we designed in there. And it's got a bathroom over here where it makes sense. Okay, where it makes sense. Not out here where it took up all this space here and just killed the floor plan. Okay, so that was my thought process when I was designing this basement for these homeowners. I knew what zones they wanted, but what they had going here on the floor with the blue tape and whoever designed it, whether it was another contractor coming in or, you know, the pipes in the floor obviously were designed by the builder. Before they poured this floor, this concrete floor, that plumbing was in there. So that's where the builder had intended to put the bathroom. But it's just a terrible, terrible design if you put the bathroom there because it kills so much nice space. So get over the existing plumbing in your basement if you have it, and design the basement the way you know you're going to want it for your lifestyle. All right, don't let pipes dictate your design. All right, I hope that helped you out and got your creative juices flowing and got your thought process kicked off in the right direction. I'm Eddie Case. If you like this video, if you wouldn't mind hitting the like button, it helps out our YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed to the Basement Finishing Man YouTube channel yet, please do. I got a lot more good basement design videos and basement construction videos coming your way. And I'll see you in the next video.